Hey, today, we're taking you on a journey through Albanian culture, which creates a captivating corner of Europe. Did you know that Albania was once one of the most isolated countries in the world, and that it boasts some of the most stunning, untouched beaches in the Mediterranean? We're going to find out the answers to that and what makes this country tick. And what's it really like to experience the unique culture of Albania? Stick around, because we're about to show you Albania in all its glory, so let's get into it. So, where's Albania? Albania is a country nestled in the heart of the Balkan Peninsula in southeast Europe. It shares borders with Montenegro to the northwest, Kosovo to the northeast, North Macedonia to the east, and Greece to the south. To its west lie the Adriatic and Ionian Seas, offering a breathtaking coastline. Geographically, it's a land of contrasts, with rugged mountains dominating the interior and fertile plains stretching towards the coast. The climate in Albania is predominantly Mediterranean along the coast, characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Inland, the climate becomes more continental, with colder winters and hotter summers, especially in the mountainous regions. This diverse climate supports a rich biodiversity. As of 2025, Albania's population is estimated to be around 2.8 million people. The capital and largest city is Tirana, a vibrant hub of culture and commerce. Albania's history is as rich and complex as its landscapes. Its roots trace back to the ancient Illyrians, an Indo-European people who inhabited the Western Balkans. Over centuries, it has been influenced by various empires, including the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires. The Ottoman rule, which lasted for nearly 5 centuries, left a significant mark on Albanian culture, particularly in its architecture, cuisine, and religious practices. Albania declared its independence from the Ottoman Empire in 1912. However, the 20th century brought further challenges, including periods of monarchy, Italian occupation during World War II, and a long period of communist rule under Enver Hoxha from 1944 to 1991. This communist era was marked by extreme isolationism and a strict atheistic policy. Since the fall of communism, Albania has been on a path of democratic transition and economic reform, striving for integration into European structures. The official language of Albania is Albanian, or Shqip. It's an Indo-European language that forms its own independent branch within the family, meaning it's not closely related to other major European languages. This makes it quite unique. There are 2 main dialects, Geg, spoken in the north, and Tosk, spoken in the south. The official standard Albanian is based on the Tosk dialect. While Albanian is dominant, you'll also find some people, especially in tourist areas, who speak English, Italian, or Greek due to historical ties and tourism. When it comes to religion, Albania presents a fascinating picture. Historically, Albania has been a country with a diverse religious landscape. During the Ottoman period, Islam became the predominant religion. However, there's also a significant Christian population, both Orthodox and Catholic, with roots dating back centuries. During the communist regime, Albania famously declared itself the world's first atheist state in 1967, and all religious practices were suppressed. After the fall of communism, religious freedom was restored, and there has been a resurgence of religious observance. Today, the majority of the population identifies as Muslim, followed by Orthodox Christians and Catholic Christians. What's truly remarkable is the high degree of religious tolerance and coexistence among these different faiths, often celebrated as a defining characteristic of Albanian society. Albania's architecture is a testament to its layered history. You'll find a blend of styles from ancient Illyrian ruins to Ottoman-era mosques and bridges, and even Soviet-era brutalist buildings. Some of the most iconic landmarks include Berat, the City of 1,000 Windows, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its Ottoman-era houses cascading down hillsides. There's also Gjirokastër, the Stone City, another UNESCO site, known for its unique Ottoman architecture and fortress. Butrint National Park is an ancient city with ruins spanning Greek, Roman, Byzantine, and Venetian periods, and it's also a UNESCO site. Rozafa Castle in Shkodër is a legendary fortress with a rich history and stunning views. Skanderbeg Square in Tirana serves as the central square of the capital, featuring the Skanderbeg Monument, a symbol of Albanian national pride. And let's not forget the bunkers. Thousands of concrete bunkers dot the Albanian landscape, a legacy of the communist regime's paranoia about invasion. While many are abandoned, some have been repurposed into museums, cafes, or even hotels, offering a unique glimpse into the country's past. So, what's it like to live in Albania? Let's look at some pros and cons. Here are the pros: affordable cost of living. Compared to many Western European countries, Albania offers a significantly lower cost of living, especially for housing, food, and transportation. Beautiful nature, from stunning coastlines to majestic mountains, Albania boasts incredible natural beauty and opportunities for outdoor activities. Warm hospitality. Albanians are renowned for their hospitality and welcoming nature towards foreigners. Rich culture and history. There's always something new to discover, from ancient ruins to vibrant traditions. And of course, an emerging economy. The country is developing, offering potential opportunities in various sectors. Now here are the cons. Infrastructure. While improving infrastructure, especially outside major cities, can still be a challenge, with some roads being less developed. Bureaucracy. Dealing with administrative processes can sometimes be slow and complex. Job market. For foreigners, the job market can be competitive, especially if you don't speak Albanian. Environmental concerns. Issues like waste management and air pollution in some urban areas are ongoing concerns. Political stability. While generally stable, the political landscape can sometimes be unpredictable. Now let's answer those questions we asked at the beginning, like what makes this country tick? And what's it really like to experience the unique culture of Albania? Well, the answer lies in its resilience, its deep-rooted traditions, and its incredible hospitality. Despite centuries of foreign rule, periods of isolation, and a fair bit of political upheaval, Albania has managed to maintain a strong sense of national identity and a vibrant cultural heritage. The Albanian people are really known for their strong family ties, their respect for elders, and their unwavering sense of honor, which is often summed up in the concept of besa. That basically means a pledge of honor and loyalty. Experiencing Albanian culture means immersing yourself in this warmth, generosity, and a history that has shaped a truly unique and welcoming society. Albanian arts and heritage are, honestly, a vibrant tapestry woven from ancient traditions and modern expressions. Folk art is particularly strong here, with intricate embroidery, traditional costumes, and wood carving being especially prominent. The country also has a rich literary tradition, with notable figures like the medieval writer John Buzuku, who actually published the first book in Albanian, and the contemporary novelist Ismail Kadare, who's been a multiple Nobel Prize nominee. Visual arts are thriving as well, with a growing contemporary art scene in Tirana, right alongside traditional painting and sculpture. The National Historical Museum in Tirana is just an excellent place to explore Albania's artistic and historical treasures. Albanian native music is incredibly diverse and deeply rooted in its regional variations. One of the most distinctive forms is Albanian polyphonic singing, especially the isopolyphony of southern Albania, which is actually recognized by UNESCO as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. This complex vocal tradition involves multiple voices singing in harmony, often without any instrumental accompaniment at all. Traditional instruments include the lahuta, which is a one-stringed bowed instrument, the sifteli, a two-stringed plucked instrument, and of course various types of flutes and drums. Modern Albanian music, though, blends these traditional elements with contemporary genres like pop, rock, and hip-hop, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving soundscape. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds, because Albanian cuisine is a delicious fusion of Mediterranean, Balkan, and Ottoman influences. It's characterized by fresh, seasonal ingredients, often locally sourced. Some must-try dishes include tave kosi, which is a national dish. It's a savory baked lamb and rice dish with a yogurt and egg topping. There's also fergesi, a creamy dish made with peppers, tomatoes, cottage cheese, and liver, or you can have it without liver for a vegetarian option. Byrek is another favorite, a flaky pastry filled with various ingredients like cheese, spinach, meat, or pumpkin. Kofti are delicious grilled meatballs, often served with a side of yogurt. You should also try spekka mejize, which are bell peppers stuffed with rice and cottage cheese. And for dessert, don't miss out on baklava or trilice, which is a 3-milk cake. Albanian coffee culture is also strong, with Turkish coffee being a popular choice, and the local raki, a strong alcoholic drink, is often offered as a sign of hospitality. Albanian traditions are deeply ingrained in daily life. Family is paramount, and respect for elders is a cornerstone of society. Hospitality, as we mentioned, is legendary, with guests often treated like royalty. Now, the festivals are vibrant and numerous. Dita e Veres, or Summer Day, is celebrated on March 14th, and marks the end of winter and the beginning of spring, with festivities, bonfires, and traditional foods. Independence Day on November 28th commemorates Albania's declaration of independence in 1912 and is celebrated with parades and national pride. Religious holidays like Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Christmas, and Easter are celebrated by their respective communities, often with interfaith greetings. And the Gjirokastër National Folk Festival, held every 5 years, showcases traditional Albanian music, dance, and costumes from across the country. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Albania offers a plethora of activities. Starting with some daytime activities, you can explore historical sites. Wander through the ancient ruins of Butrint, the castles of Berat and Gjirokastër, or the Roman amphitheater in Durrës. Or go beach hopping. The Albanian Riviera, with its crystal-clear waters and stunning beaches like Dermi, Himara, and Ksamil, is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Then do some hiking and trekking. The Albanian Alps, particularly the Valbona Valley and Theth National Parks, offer breathtaking trails for all levels. Also, there's city exploration. Discover the vibrant streets of Tirana, visit its museums, art galleries, and enjoy a coffee in a bustling cafe. Then visit Lake Shkodër. Explore the largest lake in southern Europe, perfect for birdwatching and boat trips. Now here are some nightlife locations. The Tirana's Bloku district. Once a restricted area during communism, Bloku is now the heart of Tirana's nightlife, packed with trendy bars, clubs, and restaurants. Next is the coastal towns. During summer, coastal towns like Vlori or Dermi come alive with beach bars and open-air clubs. This is just a tease and a sample taste of what Albania's nightlife has to offer. Let's wrap up with some fun facts about Albania. You know, Albania is home to the last wild pelicans in Europe in Divjake Karavasta National Park. Here's something else. The country has more than 700,000 bunkers, built during the communist era, which is roughly 1 bunker for every 4 Albanians at the time. Also, Mother Teresa, though ethnically Albanian, was born in Skopje, which is now the capital of North Macedonia. However, she is a revered figure in Albania. And the Albanian flag features a double-headed eagle, a symbol dating back to the Byzantine Empire and associated with national hero Skanderbeg. And lastly, Albanians often nod their head for no and shake it for yes, which can sometimes lead to amusing misunderstandings for visitors. And there you have it. a cool look into the interesting culture of Albania. From its ancient history and unique language to its stunning landscapes, delicious cuisine, and warm-hearted people, Albania is a country that truly captivates. It's a place where tradition meets modernity, where resilience has forged a strong identity, and where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. We hope you enjoyed this video about Albanian culture. If you learned something new, or are now dreaming of visiting this amazing country, please give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for notifications to watch new videos. Thanks for watching.